What's up, guys? Wakey as usual. Happy 4th of July weekend. Not much on grilling videos, but I feel like this is a very delicious selection. Got some steaks from Ray's. Chockeye steaks. Get some corn on the cob. Key ingredient here, obviously charcoal, but smoked apple wood right off the apple tree, folks. I'm gonna say this is a Jay-Z video. I'll put a link below for Jay-Z, my man Jason from Missouri. He does a lot of barbecuing. He's a super barbecuer. He likes his dogs too. He likes his pit bull. Got a chocolate lab Brady here today though. He got to swap off for some reason. Arthritis. He goes on the boat all the time. Probably got arthritis. But he likes fetching. He's obsessed. Did a little moving, did a little pruning. Don't that apple tree look good? I'm gonna do a video, not that apple tree, but that gray maple. Do a video on that coming up. I think I'll dedicate that to Cookie Moose, because you get into that thing, it's nice and gray. Beautiful tree. We'll show you that up close. Pruned up the apple tree. Front yard here. We still got to do a bush hogging. Yard looks horrid. We'll get you tuned in. This right here looking good though. Some old cowboy charcoal. Coffee brandy. How can you beat that right there? That apple wood is just charring away. Get a little seasoning on them too. Just got some butter, salt and pepper on the corn, wrapped in aluminum foil. Talk about my little grill I bought. 17 bucks at the Family Dollar in Millbridge. It ain't much, but it's doing the trick. More from Baba. Yeah.
Oh, you alright, boy? Brady. Look at Buell. What the fuck ever name is.
Bah!
You see it? Really, Brady? You're getting horrible at this. Brady, go! No. No. No.
I found it.
Who's that, Brandy?
I hope you had a good 4th of July. Another episode of Dylan Outdoors coming up soon. Shout out Jay-Z 240 something. I'll put a link below. Take her easy, guys.